What's good, YouTube? What's good, good people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess you guys have having a wonderful start to our trading week, right? I'm just having a great one. I worked out, I meditated, I took a bath, I'm having breakfast. Now I'm on my charts, putting in the work, right? This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I just want to share how I analyze and how I look for entries or how I look for trades to execute daily, right? This works on any pair, right? Because I've tested it on almost every pair with anyone, right? I'm not trying to say I'm trying to sell y'all a course or anything or type of shit like that, but I'm just trying to show y'all my steps that I take into executing trades or looking for potential direction. So I feel like today I want to share gold because gold might be the dopest trading pair this week, right? So now financial disclaimer, everything I say or do is entirely based off my own experience and my own opinions, right? It might happen, it might not happen, but the only thing that we can manage to do is to just stay patient, disciplined, consistent, and most of all, trust the process, right? So let's remember that on our outlook, I said we have this type of support, right? And we have this type of resistance, right? So because now we focus on what? On our current market price, right? You can tell that obviously last week price broke out, right? Price had a break below of our support, and price had a break above. So with price breaking out and price breaking back in, that clearly showed or confirmed to me that price might be looking to do what? To potentially reverse or to potentially move or look for what that bull momentum or that bullish direction to the upside, right? So obviously, once price broke out and broke back in, all I focused on it was this candlestick, the momentum of the candlestick that we had, right? Those candlestick was my momentum candlestick, which broke above, which made price break back in above of our major support, right? So once price broke back in off of our major support, obviously, you know that once price is a zone and breaks out and break back in, we need to wait for the retest above to continue to the upside. If price does what? Break out and break back in, we need to wait for the retest below and look for the reversal to what? To the downside, right? So once I found what I was looking for on a 4 hour, that momentum candlestick that broke above off of our major support and price trading very same support zone. Now heading down to the hourly, because now the 4 hour was just my confirmation, my confirmation time frame into saying, okay, price broke out and price broke back in and closed above with a bullish engulfing candlestick. Why not I wait for a retest above to look for continuation of that reversal to the upside, right? And that was it from the 4 hour. So now looking at the hourly, because that's what I always focus on the hourly. Once prices had this momentum candlestick breaking above and this candlestick with a bear open and a bullish candle close and price continuing to the upside, coming back to respect our support. Once price came the second time to respect our support, because it came first and came the second time, and now trading the third time on our very same support, price respecting support almost 3 times, right? Price tapping on support on current market price almost 3 times. Not looking at the overall, because obviously when we see at the overall, we can tell the price has been bouncing and moving, right? But looking at what's currently happening, you can tell that price bounced 3 times to our support, right? Respecting our support zone. So now, obviously, all I was looking for now, because price had that retest above this candlestick. Oh, are you still watching the video right now? I'm sorry for the interruption, but like you guys know it, that the HSCC and Circle of Traders, they have partnered. What is the HSCC? The HSCC is the Highly Street Crypto Trading, it's the Highly Street Crypto Club, which was started and founded by Mr. Rafsay with a 12-year experience in the crypto markets. The HSCC is a arbitrage crypto trading platform which has led into becoming one of the biggest trading platforms in the world. At the HSCC, they are highly committed into building an ecosystem arbitrage trading crypto platform which generates profits for all retail investors around the globe. They have 4 different plans
to earn and invest hefty profits from. You don't want to miss this deal. They start with as little as $50 up and until an unlimited funded deal, right? It depends on what you're comfortable with and what you'll be willing to take part from. I'm gonna leave the link on the description, I'm gonna leave the link on my bio, and I'm gonna make sure that Circle of Traders and the HSCC help you out in the crypto markets from beginner up and until to professional all the way. You don't want to miss this great deal. Take part into it and something from it, and let the HSCC and Circle of Traders be there for you in the crypto markets. We're signing out.
This pre-London candle, because you guys know that I always talk about pre-session, pre-market open, pre-market and market open all the time, right? All the time. So this pre-market candlestick, which had a bear open and a bullish candle close above our support, that also confirmed that obviously once price had a retest up, once price broke above again, this is a confirmed retest above, right? In correlation into our London open, because you can tell that price did what? Price had a bear candle and a bullish candle close. You follow me? So obviously with this three confirmations that I had, if you guys remember that from the 4 hour, price had a bullish income, price broke out of our support, broke below of our support, and broke back above of our support with a bullish engulfing candlestick. And the second thing is price tapped on our support 3 times on the hourly time frame, right? Price tapped on our support 3 times on the hourly time frame, right? The third confirmation is price had a bear open below of our support and a bullish candle close above our support on our pre-London candlestick, right? So with that pre-London candlestick, all I'm now looking for is that obviously, because you can tell that the pre-London candlestick closed bullish and the London open candle closed in as a indecision candle, but still closed bullish. Obviously, this is another confirmation that obviously with this candlestick closing above and the coming candle still closing above, this candle that is trading now, this 10 a.m. candle that is currently trading right now, I'm looking for a candle close. If now if price don't come back right here like I'm looking for, right? Or if price, because now I was looking to take a trade right here and price kind of like reacted. Now I'm looking for, it's that if this candlestick closes bullish, obviously I look to look for the continuation to the upside of price continuing bullish, right? Or if I don't want to take it that way, I can simply confirm my bull flag, because price also has a potential bullish flag, right? So with this potential bullish flag, I'll only wait for price to close above. I'll look for continuation to the upside with a candle closing above this previous high, anticipation of a continuation to the upside. Or this is the last. This is the last hack that I'm willing to give you guys, because obviously we all gotta eat, right? We all gotta eat. We all gotta eat. We all gotta eat. We all got to eat. We all got to eat, right? We all got to eat, people. We all got to eat. So now I gave you guys three confluences, right? The first one is a breakout and a break back in, right? The second one is a potential bullish flag. With a close above of our highs, we look for continuation to the upside. The third one is a potential inverse head and shoulders. So with a inverse head and shoulders, you guys know that price creates a neckline, right? Price always creates a neckline. So from the first left shoulder that price created and the head that price created, coming back again to react with a potential right shoulder formation, coming back to react of our neckline, right? Pushing to the downside. All we're now looking for is that we're looking to take trades from here in anticipation of price taking profit right there. So this actually means that obviously if price breaks above of our neckline and everything, then we'll still look for that continuation to the upside, and then gonna be it. So people, this is how I look for my trades, and this is how I base my entries, and this is how I look to execute my trades. I start from the 4 hour. right? I look for what happened and what might currently happen, but I mainly focus on the hourly, right? I look for my patterns, I look for my candlesticks, and I look for my reversals or my continuations, depending on how price is trading and where price is trading. So this is how I analyze, and this is how I look for my entries on gold and any other trading pair. Without further ado, people, this is your boy Harlan. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.